Which choice completes the text with the most logical and precise word or phrase? Kelp forests grow underwater along the eastern Pacific coast. These underwater forests are important to fish and other marine animals. Ocean currents can be powerful and rough, making it difficult for animals to find safe places to hide from predators. The underwater forests slow down the currents. This creates a more blank environment with calmer waters where animals can take shelter. So the text highlights how the kelp forests grow underwater, and that these forests are important to fish and other marine animals. This is because there are ocean currents that are powerful and rough, and this also makes it difficult for animals to find a safe place to hide from predators. And then there's a benefit of underwater forests discussed, which is that they slow down the currents, and thus this creates a calmer environment for the fish with calmer waters where animals can take shelter. So the best word for this blank would highlight how there's a calmer environment. And with that, let's look at the answer choices. A. Tranquil. This seems to be the correct answer because tranquil means calm, and the whole text supports this context because this would highlight that because there's calmer waters where animals can take shelter in this environment is calmer than the surrounding environment, and thus a more tranquil environment. So overall, A seems to be the correct answer. B. Dangerous. This is incorrect because if this environment has calmer waters where animals can take shelter, this suggests a safer environment, not a dangerous environment. So we can eliminate option choice B. C. Imaginative. This is incorrect because this simply doesn't make sense in the blank, because a calmer environment with calmer waters where animals can take shelter isn't a more imaginative environment. And with that, we can eliminate option choice C. D. Surprising. This is incorrect because the text suggests otherwise, where this environment is tranquil or calm, not surprising, because this environment has calmer waters where animals take shelter. So we can eliminate option choice D, and that leaves us with option choice A as the correct answer.